Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if the biggest problem in most New York City apartments isn't the lack of space, but how that space is being used? Why do some studio apartments feel calm, organized, and surprisingly spacious, while others feel cramped even with the exact same square footage? The answer isn't expensive renovations, custom furniture, or knocking down walls. It's a series of overlooked design decisions that completely change how a home functions. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the smart strategies people use to transform ordinary New York City apartments into flexible, multifunctional spaces that feel far bigger than they actually are. The living room is often the hardest working area inside New York City apartments. Unlike larger homes where activities are separated into dedicated rooms, residents of New York City apartments frequently rely on a single space to support entertainment, productivity, relaxation, and social gatherings. This makes flexibility more important than size. One of the most effective design strategies is choosing a sofa with elevated legs rather than a base that touches the floor. By exposing more flooring, natural and artificial light can flow underneath, creating a stronger sense of openness. This visual effect is widely used in New York City apartments because it helps reduce the feeling of crowding. Another useful tip is maintaining clear pathways around furniture. Even a few extra inches of visible circulation space can dramatically improve how spacious a room feels. Successful layouts focus on movement and functionality, ensuring that every furnishing contributes to comfort without creating unnecessary visual weight. In many New York City apartments, the entryway is often overlooked because space is limited. Yet this small area has an outsized impact on organization, comfort, and daily routines. When residents walk through the door after a long day, visual clutter immediately increases mental fatigue. A well-designed entryway acts as a buffer between the outside world and the home. One of the smartest solutions used in New York City apartments is installing a peg rail approximately 175 centimeters high along the wall. This simple feature creates designated storage for coats, bags, umbrellas, and keys, preventing everyday items from spreading throughout the apartment. Adding a full-length mirror behind the door further improves functionality while visually expanding compact spaces. Many successful New York City apartments rely on reflective surfaces because they increase perceived depth without requiring additional square footage. A storage bench with a lift-up lid provides hidden space for shoes, winter accessories, and frequently used essentials while offering a comfortable place to sit before leaving or entering the home. Unlike traditional homes where the bedroom is naturally separated, sleeping areas in New York City apartments often need to be intentionally created. The challenge is not finding a bedroom but defining one. In many successful New York City apartments, floor-to-ceiling curtains installed on ceiling-mounted curved tracks serve as elegant room dividers. This simple solution establishes privacy and visual separation without permanent walls or costly renovations. The psychological benefit is significant. When the sleeping zone feels distinct from the living area, the brain receives a stronger signal that it is time to rest. A practical tip is choosing light-filtering fabrics that maintain brightness during the day while providing privacy at night. Many residents of New York City apartments discover that creating visual boundaries improves sleep quality and overall comfort. The goal is not merely to divide space but to establish a dedicated environment that feels calm, protected, and separate from the activities of daily life. Access to private outdoor space is one of the most desirable features in New York City apartments. While many residents focus their design efforts indoors, a balcony can function as a genuine extension of the home when planned thoughtfully. In well-designed New York City apartments, even a compact balcony measuring only a few square feet can become a comfortable dining area, reading retreat, or morning coffee destination. A practical strategy is using a small round bistro table paired with folding chairs. Unlike bulky outdoor furniture, these pieces provide functionality while preserving flexibility. When not in use, the chairs can be folded away to maximize movement. Many residents of New York City apartments discover that regularly spending time outdoors, even for a few minutes each day, enhances well-being and creates a stronger connection to the surrounding city. The key principle is to view the balcony as usable living space rather than occasional outdoor storage. Every square foot should contribute to daily life and personal comfort. Few areas demand more efficiency than the kitchen and dining zone in New York City apartments. In compact homes, these functions often share the same footprint, requiring thoughtful design choices that maximize usability without sacrificing comfort. One of the smartest solutions found in many New York City apartments is the wall-mounted folding table. When closed, it occupies almost no floor space and blends into the wall. When opened, it instantly becomes a practical dining area for meals, work sessions, or casual gatherings. This type of adaptable furniture allows residents to reclaim valuable square footage whenever the table is not in use. Another important principle is maintaining visual simplicity. Cluttered kitchens feel smaller because crowded surfaces create visual noise. By reducing the number of objects left on display, New York City apartments can feel more organized and significantly more spacious. Successful small kitchens are designed around flexibility, ensuring every feature contributes to multiple daily activities while preserving an open and efficient layout. Productivity inside New York City apartments is rarely determined by the size of the workspace. Instead, it depends on whether the environment clearly communicates the purpose of the space. When work, relaxation, dining, and sleeping all occur within the same footprint, mental boundaries become just as important as physical ones. Many residents of New York City apartments are turning to integrated Murphy bed systems with built-in desks because they allow a single wall to support two completely different functions. During the day, the area operates as a professional workspace. At night, it transforms into a comfortable bedroom. This flexibility is essential in New York City apartments, where every square foot must justify its existence. A useful tip is to maintain a dedicated work zone, even if it occupies only a small corner of the apartment. Consistency helps train the brain to associate that location with concentration, reducing distractions and improving productivity throughout the day.